You guys, digital marketing is everything. You already know this, but are you maximizing your efforts? Are you squeezing every last drop out of your strategies? Look, I'm gonna keep it real with you. If you're not using OnPassive, you're leaving money on the table. It's time to step up your game. And today, I'm giving you the inside scoop on the 7 OnPassive features that will completely transform your business. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 7 OnPassive features every business owner needs to know to dominate digital marketing. But before we start, please help me out and subscribe to my channel. Also like and comment below. It will help me out. Thanks. Nobody has time for repetitive marketing tasks. OnPassive's marketing automation is a game changer. It's about efficiency and optimizing campaigns, automated email sequences, social media scheduling, lead nurturing. OnPassive lets you focus on strategy and scale your business. Data is king, but only if you know how to use it. OnPassive's AI-driven insights are like having a crystal ball for your business. Next-level understanding of your target audience, digging deep into behaviors, preferences, and pain points. Predict what your customers want before they know it. That's the power of OnPassive's AI. Actionable insights to refine your strategy and close more deals. We're bombarded with hundreds of emails every single day. How do you make yours stand out? Personalization is key. OnPassive takes the guesswork out of email marketing. Remember those AI-driven customer insights we talked about? OnPassive uses that data to help you create highly targeted, personalized email campaigns that resonate with your audience. No more generic blasts that end up in the spam folder. We're talking about crafting emails that speak directly to your customers' needs, their interests, their pain points. This is how you build relationships, establish trust, and ultimately drive conversions. Chapter 4. Chatbots always be there for your customers. We live in a 24/7 world, and your customers expect instant gratification. OnPassive's AI chatbots can handle complex questions and close deals while you sleep. Provide a seamless customer experience, no matter the time. Chapter 5. Social media automation. Stop the scroll. Social media is where it's at, but managing multiple platforms can be a full-time job. OnPassive's social media automation takes the hassle out of staying active and engaging with your audience. Schedule your posts in advance, track your performance, and even get AI-powered recommendations on the best times to post for maximum engagement. This isn't just about saving time, it's about maximizing your reach and impact on social media. It's about getting your content seen by the right people at the right time, without having to be chained to your phone 24/7. Chapter 6. Predictive Analytics. The future of marketing is here. Stop guessing, start predicting. OnPassive's Predictive Analytics takes the guesswork out of your marketing strategy. Imagine being able to anticipate your customer's next move, to know what they're going to buy before they even do. That's the power of predictive analytics. It uses historical data and machine learning to identify patterns and trends, allowing you to make data-driven decisions about your marketing spend, product development, and overall business strategy. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of marketing, and OnPassive is putting that power in your hands today. Chapter 7. Integrated CRM systems, your business, connected. Siloed data is a recipe for disaster. OnPassive's integrated CRM system brings all your customer data together in one central location. This means no more jumping between different platforms, no more lost information, just a 360-degree view of your customer interactions, all in one place. This allows for better communication, more personalized experiences, and ultimately, stronger customer relationships. It's about breaking down the silos in your business and creating a seamless experience for your customers. There you have it, the 7 OnPassive features that will completely transform your digital marketing game. This is how you work smarter, not harder. This is how you get ahead of the competition. This is how you dominate your market. Don't just take my word for it. Try OnPassive for yourself and see the results. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on dominating digital marketing with OnPassive. See you next time. For more information about OnPassive and digital marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.